The land of Brunei Darussalam is currently divided into two locations. To move from one place to the other place, there are two options: sea route and land route. The sea route takes about 45 minutes, while the land route takes about 1.5 hours. In these conventional routes, there are some issues like boat and border operation schedule, passenger boat size, and loads and traffic jams. It will certainly reduce the travel time from previous 45 minutes or 1.5 hours to 20 minutes. This bridge will be the most monumental and historical project in Brunei history. The Temburong Bridge project will be constructed in the heart of Brunei Darussalam, linking two separated lands. The bridge is approximately 30 kilometers long. Two new contracts signed this time are CC3 Navigation Bridges and CC4 Temburong Viaduct Project. Cast in situ board pile of the cable-stayed bridge, 2.2 meter diameter, maximum length 100 meter, are constructed. Temporary structures are erected, then permanent steel casing are installed. Once this casing is in place, excavation will start to the target toe level using RCD machine. Prefabricated rebar cage installation and concrete pouring takes place to complete the procedure. After construction of pile, brackets are welded to the permanent steel casing to support precast concrete shell. Precast concrete shells are fabricated in segments in Sarasa casting yard and installed by barge crane. Waterproofing and anti-buoyancy devices are installed. Dewatering will follow. Cast in situ concrete work of approximately 6,000 cubic meters pile cap is carried out in 3 phases. The leg of tower is a curved shape up to 50.5 meter elevation. Therefore, will require conventional or bracket-type formwork. The formwork is lifted by a tower crane. The leg of tower is a straight shape beyond 50.5 meter elevation. Hence, ACS form with self-climbing capability is applied. Once elevation of the leg reaches 86.5 meters, it needs to be supported by a temporary strut to avoid excessive deflection. Scaffolding is installed for cast in situ of the pier table. Then first stay cable is installed. From second segment, a form traveler is used. Form traveler is installed by heavy lifting jack on the pier table. Each of the deck composes of edge beams, diaphragm, and slab. Casting of edge beams is carried out first, then succeeded by installation of the stay cable. After launching a form traveler, casting of diaphragms and slab are executed. Proposed steps will be repeated until closing of the side span. After closing the side span, the form traveler is back launched and is dismantled. After center span closing is done by form traveler used for construction of the deck from other side of the tower, construction of cable-stayed bridge is complete. Foundation of landside viaducts are cast in situ board piles with a diameter of 1.5 meters. Temporary steel casing is installed, and then excavation is carried out using earth drill machine. Prefabricated rebar cage installation and concrete pouring takes places, followed by removal of the temporary steel casing. After construction of board piles, installation of pile cap formworks, assembly of rebar, and concrete pouring will be performed in sequence. After construction of pile cap, prefabrication of rebar cage, steel formwork, and concrete pouring will be performed in sequence for the pier construction. Viaduct decks are manufactured as a precast segment using short line match casting method in Sarasa casting yard. The precast segment delivered by barges is reloaded to low bed trailer and is delivered to the erection location. The segment is then erected by a crawler crane. Viaduct decks are erected by balanced cantilever method and are joined with cast in situ method at center of the span. Pier segments for offshore section of the viaduct are constructed by cast in situ method. The other precast segments are directly shipped to the erection location and are erected by a revolving barge crane. Dalim Swede Joint Venture will show our ability to deliver the project based on the various knowledge and experiences for long-span bridge construction.